Hi everybody, I'm Kim Bergen-Jackson, Administrator at Oak Knoll, and today is May 11th for this video to be posted tomorrow on May 12th. My COVID update is fine for Oak Knoll. We have no new cases of COVID in our community, which is great among residents or staff, so I'm very excited to say that most of the people who had COVID in the last 10 days are just about out of quarantine. We might have a few stragglers left for the next couple days, but overall everybody did really well, staying isolated, and we don't have any further spread of COVID. So today's Wednesday, as I said. Tomorrow Scotty's will be open for dinner and regular restaurant hours moving forward. So that's very good news. Thank you to everyone who quarantined like we asked them to, even though it felt really long and really isolating. I appreciate your attention to detail and protecting other people in the community. So Oak Knoll's doing well. Unfortunately, Johnson County's not doing well. So over the past 7 or 8 weeks, we've seen sort of a subtle incline, increase in cases in our county. You know, they changed all the ways that they record the data, and they're not recording negative tests anymore. No one is reporting at-home tests accurately. So what I can tell you is the tests that were reported, today I checked the website, and it's 375 positive cases per 100,000 people in the county, which equates to 567 cases this week, or 81 cases a day. To give you a frame of reference, on April 13th, a month ago, we were at 168 cases for the week, or 24 a day. So it's a significant increase, but it's over time. It's just a little bit every week when they update the data. So my advice to you about the county is that it's still very active. COVID is still very active in our county. On the Iowa Department of Public Health website, Johnson County is actually the only dark blue county. I can't tell you what that is attributed to. I'm hoping now that the semester's over, this is finals week, and the students are going home, and I'm hoping they clear out Johnson County and the numbers get a little better. If you're going out into the community, I would suggest you continue doing what you've been doing. Masks are not required, but they're encouraged out in the Johnson County area. If you're going to a big group function, like a big meeting, or crowded areas like the grocery store, I would recommend wearing a mask. I wear a mask when I go out. I'm not paranoid. I just think it's good to be careful. We have seen the impact of mask wearing here at Oak Knoll, and so I can't say enough about wearing a mask, staying socially distanced from people, and washing your hands. Those are really the key things that we've done to stay safe. Now, having said that, I know that you're tired of limiting your activities due to COVID, and you have all been boosted, vaccinated and boosted for the most part, most of you twice. And so if you choose to go out and do something, I don't blame you. I just want you to be smart in thinking about what you're doing. For instance, next week I'll be in Fort Myers, Florida for the National Leadership Academy, and I'll be wearing a mask on the plane, even though no one else probably will be. So it's not required anymore on airfare or air flights, so lots of people are choosing not to wear the mask. So I don't want you to stay home necessarily. I just want you to be careful when you go out and about. We're going to continue to use masks inside at Oak Knoll until the county numbers start to show a decline. I know that you want to take them off in the public areas, and I hear your concerns, and I don't blame you, but it's so easy to spread, and lots of people are asymptomatic or minimally symptomatic, and with spring and the pollen and the allergies, it's hard to differentiate between the two. So it's just safer for us right now to wear the masks inside. As soon as the numbers go down in Johnson County, I'll let you know, and we'll take them off. I know that it's burdensome, but way better than everybody being sick. So that's my COVID information. If you haven't gotten the second booster still, I would reach out to your medical provider. We had a couple of clinics that were well attended, but I don't think we have another one scheduled at Oak Knoll, so you may have to go out to a pharmacy, CVS or Walgreens or Hardig, drug has been giving vaccines, or talk to your doctor about it. So that's it. I did want to give an update on the Dementia Friends program. So Oak Knoll is involved in widely in this international dementia friendly program. There's a Dementia Friendly America initiative going across the country, and our head office for that is through the Area Agencies on Aging, and the person heading it up is Megan Zimmerman, and she's from Cedar Valley. So Megan has trained a dozen or so Oak Knoll folks to provide this training in the community. We held our first session this week, information session, and we had 42 people participate in the program in the Hayden Room. Very excited, 40 residents and 2 family members. And I think it went really well. It's an hour program, and it's a low-level informative session on dementia and how to be a dementia friend with someone who's living with dementia. So we were able to have a spouse speak up and talk about Lewy body dementia, and had staff presenting who had never presented before, and they did a great job. So we will plan another session soon. Prior to that, though, Retha and Lindsay are planning a TIPA snow education session. So lots of activity around dementia and assisting people who are living with dementia, and just understanding the whole point of Dementia Friends is just be kind. And if you see someone in the public struggling, assuming they're doing their best, right? So assume positive intent and help them out if you can. The idea, once we have our team pulled together here, and we have enough numbers, we will go out into the Iowa City area and train businesses. So I'm thinking any business where an Oak Knoll resident might frequent and struggle if they have dementia. So restaurants, banks, the post office, the list is never ending until we get everybody more educated and more aware of dementia. I was excited to talk to the mayor of Iowa City and the Johnson County Board of Supervisors, and I'll tell you that there are 3 communities in Iowa who are becoming dementia friendly. That's Maquoketa, Cedar Valley, and now Vinton. Iowa City and Johnson County will be the 4th community that is going to take on this initiative. So I'm part of the action plan for Johnson County to initiate this program all across our county. I'm very excited about it. It's a huge opportunity for us to go out as experts into the community and share some information about dementia and support people who are living with dementia and their caregivers. So it's a perfect opportunity for Oak Knoll to get out into the community. So you may see more invitations for Dementia Friendly or Dementia Friends information sessions. Please join us. Everybody's welcome if you have an interest. You don't have to go out into the community. If you're not comfortable, you can just come to a session and become a dementia friend. So that's my update for Dementia Friends. Pay attention to the calendar. The weather's getting better. I think we'll have some performances from the Summer of the Arts folks here and at East. We're planning a summer block party because that sounds like a really good time. I hope some of you were able to go to the sock hop. It sounded like it went really well. So living our best lives at Oak Knoll, trying to stay healthy together and stay upbeat and have fun. So that's my update for today. If you have any questions, you can always call me. My direct line is 319-466-3014, or you can send me an email or reach out to me through the app. It'll send me a message. I hope you have a great week, and I'll be back from Florida, not next week, but the week after. So take care, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Thanks.